Major J.C. Peterson, whom the United Nations has posthumously awarded the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal, a symbol of highest sacrifice in the service of peace. It is a posthumous award given to military, police, and civilian personnel who have lost their lives while serving under the UN flag. It is not merely a medal, it is a statement of gratitude from the international community in recognition that those who wear the blue beret have placed the cause of peace above self.
He leaves us with a legacy that we should always be proud of, a legacy that will stay even when he is gone. His memory and sacrifice will continue to inspire others to serve with courage and compassion. His legacy, as his God, make sure that others will serve our defense force with dedication and compassion. And this is why John said, to lay down, love is to lay down one's life for one's friends.
In memory of Major Peterson, we as the South African National Defence Force would like to honor him and his family as one of our fallen soldiers. At this medal ceremony, where the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal will be awarded posthumously. The medal today was issued by the United Nations Secretariat on 29 May 2025 in the United Nations headquarters posthumously to the late Major Peterson, in recognition in the service of peace, to our brave soldier who perished while participating in the United Nations operations, aiming to bring international peace and security. Although Mrs. Peterson could not receive the medal on United Nations Peacekeepers Day itself, but as the South African National Defence Force, we had to ensure that his sacrifice are properly honoured today. It is thus an honour to stand before the family of the late Major Peterson to present this medal on behalf of the entire nation to you, Mrs. Marie Peterson, receiving this on behalf of the late Major Johan Christian Peterson. May God bless his soul and comfort you as the family, Marie. For us as the South African National Defence Force, this ceremony is a sacred act of remembrance. This medal is a symbol of the United Nations gratitude for the peace of your heart that you gave us for partaking in a peacekeeping mission in the Democratic Republic in Congo. Mrs. Marie Peterson, please accept the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal on behalf of the late Major Johan Christian Peterson. Lest we forget.
Major Tola Peterson was a person that made an impact on people in his professional life as well as in his personal life. Allow me to share one such example. Dr. Antonio Garcia is an established author of several books about the military and military history. He is a research fellow at the University of Stellenbosch, where he is currently busy with his associate professorship. He is a non-residential lecturer at the Durham University in the United Kingdom. He is a part-time lecturer at the New York State University in the United States. He is a part-time lecturer at the International Open University. He is a contributing fellow of the Royal Geographic Society. But more important than all of that, he was also a student of Major Tola Peterson, where he received his foundational training when Tola was a captain. That made such an impact on Dr. Garcia that his latest book, which he was the senior editor of, was very close to completion when he heard the news of the tragic death of Tola. And he then immediately personally contacted all the authors of the compilation of the book that he was editing and confirmed with them, and they unanimously agreed that this book would be dedicated to the memory of Major Tola Peterson. The book, Silencing the Guns in Africa, Peace and Conflict in Society, has the dedication that reads, to all those who tried to make a difference. The dedication to Major Tola Peterson. General allowed me the opportunity to hand a copy of this book to Mrs. Peterson on behalf of Tony Garcia.